trading the multi-phase. How to trade Wave 2? Wave 2 is the first tradable wave of the multi-phase. Trade only if Wave 2 becomes a zigzag correction. For the entry point we are using a B-wave pullback. Level to watch are 50 to 618 of Wave A. So draw the Fibonacci retracement from start to end of the Wave A and watch for 50 to 618 as your entry zone. Stop loss needs to set at the end of Wave 1. So you can use the ending point of the larger Wave 1 to put as your stop loss. Targets need to be the 50% of Wave 1. So you are going to draw a Fibonacci retracement from start to end of the larger Wave 1 and get that 50% level to use as your take profit. How to trade Wave 3? Wave 3 is our money wave, and we have different ways to enter a trade, but simplest one is going to be like this. For entry, we can separate our position to two, smaller, so use the 50 and the 618 of Wave 1 as your two entry points. You are going to find these two levels by drawing a Fibonacci retracement from start to end of the Wave 1. Stops need to be set at the starting point of the Wave 1 because we know that Wave 2 should hold above the starting point of the Wave 1 all the time. That is our invalidation point and that's going to be our stop loss. Take profit levels at 100% and 1618 extensions of Wave 1. So draw a Fibonacci expansion from start to end of Wave 1 and project from the end of Wave 2. That way you are going to get 100 and 1618 extension zones. How to trade Wave 4? Wave 4 is usually a complex correction or a triangle, so it's not recommended to trade this. Only enter a trade if you see a zigzag developing and check for a divergence between 3 and 5 of the larger Wave 3. For the entry point, we use the B-wave pullback. Levels to watch are 50 to 618 of the A-wave pullback. So after you see a 5-wave move down in the Wave 4, you are going to call that the Wave A and draw a Fibonacci retracement from start to end of that point, and find the 50 to 618 zone where you can start selling the pair. Stop loss needs to be set a few pips above or below the end of Wave 3, just in case Wave 4 turned to be some sort of a flat correction. Take profit level needs to be at 38.2% of Wave 3, so just draw a Fibonacci retracement from start to end of the Wave 3. Move stop to break even when Wave C breaks below the end of Wave A. How to trade Wave 5? Final tradable wave in the multi-phase. For entry, use 38.2% of Wave 3, and only if you can see a 3-wave move can you place a trade. Stop loss should be 618 of Wave 3, or you can use the end of Wave 1. Take profit level needs to be the inverse 123.6 and 1618 of Wave 4. You are going to get the take profit levels by putting the Fibonacci retracement tool from the start to the end of the Wave 4.